Welcome to Train Signal. This is the Next Steps lesson in the Forefront Threat Management Gateway 2010 training course. In this lesson, we'll start out with a look at where you started and then reiterate some of the course building blocks to get you to what you've accomplished. Then we'll talk about some possibilities for your road ahead. I'll provide you with a list of some of my favorite supporting resources and then give you some information about how you can register your opinion on this course. And I'll say thank you and good luck. When you started this course, GlobalMantic was running firewalls that had reached the end of their useful life. The company had yet to deploy any services into their perimeter network, and malware was able to infiltrate the organization due to a lack of comprehensive protection. Further, users could easily bypass GlobalMantic's policy and visit prohibited sites, and remote employees did not have quick and easy remote access to the internal network and resources. But that's all changed. In the Getting Started section of this course, you learned about the features, the new features in particular, terminology, functionality, installation, and client agent information that was necessary to form a solid foundation for Threat Management Gateway. You then learned how to provide some monitoring and map your existing firewall skills to Threat Management Gateway. And from there, you learned the basics behind implementing protection against intrusion, malware, and HTTP-based threats. We wrapped up the course with the basics behind publishing services to users, web servers to internet users, Outlook and Exchange, and VPN. You've accomplished quite a great deal in this introductory course. You've now completed the Threat Management Gateway project for GlobalMantic, and you have a basic foundation on which to build and further refine your Threat Management Gateway skills and learn some of the more advanced features and techniques that you can get with Threat Management Gateway. You'll learn how to use TMG to provide and techniques that you can get with Threat Management Gateway in a variety of different scenarios. And you've learned some basic troubleshooting steps that you can take in the event that you have problems with your implementation. You've also learned how to implement Threat Management Gateway-based services to enable secure remote access to a variety of systems, and how to leverage the system's brand new features and integrate them into the GlobalMantic's operation in a cost-effective way. Your road ahead is a good one. Review the course materials where you feel you might still be a little fuzzy. You can also take a practice certification exam, although this may not be very practical in the case of Threat Management Gateway 2010. The reason is because there is no certification exam yet for this product. Only ISA 2006 is a current exam. If you're planning to get certified, you'll have to wait for Microsoft to release an exam for this particular product. If you'd like to learn more about Threat Management Gateway, join the community for supplemental information. There are lots of Threat Management Gateway focused resources on TechNet where you can expand your Threat Management Gateway knowledge by reading other people's questions. And get hands-on practice in your home lab. This course was not a comprehensive deep dive into every possible technical aspect of Threat Management Gateway. It simply was not possible the amount of time that this course took. So, if you want to continue to learn and hone your Threat Management Gateway skills, practice, practice, practice. And if you'd like, keep the course as a reference for when you run into future problems. And if you have other issues or you'd like to keep up with the world of Threat Management Gateway, consider social media feeds like Twitter and follow people you find knowledgeable in Threat Management Gateway. I have 4 very favorite supporting resources as they concerns Threat Management Gateway. The first one is the product page, which has links to a whole bunch of other resources. The next one is the Threat Management Gateway 2010 forums, where I can read people's questions and answers and learn more about the product myself. And then there's the Threat Management Gateway 2010 Technical Library. Microsoft does a great job providing documentation on their products on TechNet. And then the Forefront Threat Management Gateway Team blog, which is the very bottom link, provides you with a lot of information about what's coming up with Threat Management Gateway, as well as a number of tips and tricks. We at TrainSignal always value our customers' opinion. There are a lot of different ways to reach us, and all of them are listed on your screen. You can call us, you can email us, you can post in our forums, click our feedback button, or comment on a blog. But we want to know what you think. So please share your feedback with us so we can continue to provide you with quality products. I would also personally like to thank you for watching this course. I hope that you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed creating it. Now, go forth and practice and become a Threat Management Gateway guru. Thank you for listening.